Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox VR. To get started, you'll need a compatible virtual reality headset and a powerful computer. We'll cover the essential hardware, walk through the software setup, and provide tips for an immersive gaming experience. Prepare to dive into countless Roblox worlds in a whole new dimension. It's an exciting way to explore your favorite games with enhanced presence and interaction. First, ensure your computer meets the minimum specifications. Typically, a modern processor like an Intel Core i5 or AMD Ryzen 5, at least 8 GB of RAM, and a dedicated graphics card such as an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060 or AMD Radeon RX 480. You'll also need a compatible VR headset, like an Oculus Quest 2, Valve Index, or HTC Vive, connected and ready to go. Next, install the Roblox player from the official website if you haven't already. Then, set up your VR platform software, such as Steam VR for PC-based headsets or the Oculus PC app. Once both are installed, launch Roblox, select a VR-compatible game, and your headset should automatically activate. If not, ensure your VR software is running and try launching the game directly from within your VR environment. Once in a Roblox VR game, use your VR controllers for movement and interaction. Many games offer intuitive controls, but some may require a quick look at their specific instructions. For the best experience, ensure your play space is clear and take short breaks to avoid motion sickness. Adjust your in-game settings for comfort and visual clarity. Enjoy exploring the vast universe of Roblox in virtual reality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.